Alright guys, in this video we're gonna learn how we can insert our data into our database or into our table inside the database. Okay, I told you before that when you wanna access to your local host server, at the first you have to write MySQL -h localhost -u root -p, enter and enter. Now I wanna use the same database that I have created before. Use what was the name of that database? Example. My database name was example. Now I enter and now I am inside the example database. Okay, now I'm gonna insert some data into my database, into my table or into my database. Okay, insert with insert into. You can insert your data into your table. After that, you can specify your table name. What was the table name? The table name was, let's see, customer. My table name was customer. Okay, let's write customer. And after that, inside the parentheses, you can write the column of your table. The first column was customer ID, and we don't get customer ID because customer ID is primary key and auto increment. The second column was customer name and country. Let's write this inside the parentheses. Customer name and country. Okay, after that we wanna store some values and we have to write values, and inside the parentheses we can write our values. Because values are a string, we can get them inside the double quotes or single quotes. I get single quotes. Okay, what is the customer name? Mean fruits. Okay, the first customer name is apple, and this apple, where is the country of the apple? I get USA. Okay, with semicolon you can finish your statement, and now enter. This data stores into our table. Let's see our table. You can see the first customer ID get 1, the customer name is Apple, and the country of it is USA. Now I wanna add more than one values. For example, apple from USA, mango from Mexico, banana from Canada, like these things. Let's write that code again. Insert into our customer table, and our customer table has columns, customer name and country. The values should be, now I want to change this into orange, and this orange, the country of the orange is Canada, and I want to add another value. I can separate it by comma. Inside the parentheses I can get other values. Okay, and the other data is banana. The banana country is, for example, where should I get? Germany. Let's store this. It's stored. Query OK, 2 rows affected, and this second. Now let's see our database. You can go to your database, MySQL, click on admin panel, and after that you go to your database. Let's refresh it, and now you see we have 3 data into our customer table. The first data is apple, second is orange, third is banana.